topic is female fetishize. Female fetishize is a one type of the crime actually in recent scenario. But before that, previous years, what happened? Female fetishize has been occur in the village size mostly. Female fetishize aborting, it's considered as aborting the female fetus after sex determinations stage. What happened? Female fetishize only on the females. Before going to start delivery, what happened? The sex determination has been done in the previous, and what happened? This is causing the female fetishize, and female fetus will be aborted. Ultrasonographies have determined abnormalities in the fetus. By which technique? That ultrasonographies have determined the abnormality in the fetus, and because of that, what happened? They are going to abort this female fetus. Means is to find out the sex of the fetus and abort it if it is a girl. And because of the sonography, what happened? They are using the this ultrasonography for maintaining this sex determination test, and after that they are using this ultrasonography for female feticide. Why is a female feticide is a problem in country? How we can introduce this female feticide is a problem, like increase in the violence against the woman, violence of their human rights. What happened? Because of the dominated to the male, the women are only dependent on their husbands. Because of that, what happened? The violence of their women's rights will be occur in the previous stage. Abortions due to family pressures to have a male child with effects on mental and physical health of the woman. If they are going to be aborted, the girl child, the main effect on the woman has been done, like mentally and physically health of that particular pregnant woman, because of the that want their male child, the family pressures. More men in the society due to sex relative abortions. Like who are living in the village, they are using this sex determinations test under the illegal activities, and they are using this sex relative abortions due to men authorities in their society or village. Now, preconceptions and prenatal diagnosis techniques considered as a PAPDT, Prohibitions Act Selections, also named as the Prohibitions Act Selections Act 1994. They have recognized these problems in the village sites in our society, and then they have built up this Prohibitions Act Selections Act against this violence, mainly for the women. That act is held in the 1994. In that way, they have made some type of the test. Also, they have made some type of norms and standards. Like prenatal diagnosis techniques includes ultrasonography, fetoscopy, taking sample of the embryo, blood or tissues of fluid pregnant woman before or after conceptions. Before going to, they have to any sex determination, they have to start with the ultrasonography, fetoscopy, and they have to look for the any embryonic fluid changes, embryo changes, blood or any tissues changes, pregnant woman, any conceptions changes. Then testing sample at genetic laboratory to detect genetic disorders, abnormality of sex-linked disease. If they have a problem with the USG, if they are found some problems in their USG, whatever, they are going for the genetic laboratory testing like sex determination test under this act. If they are having the problem in sonography or any abnormalities have been seen, any congenital or genetic disease has been predicted, then they have to go for the sex determinations test under this act. Impose some restrictions on clinic, medical personnel and sale of the machines. Like they have also made the restrictions for the clinic and medical personnel. Only medical registered personnel can see the changes in the genetic clinical testing. Only they can provide the prenatal diagnosis techniques. Only they can using this ultrasonography. They can use the Act 1994 for any congenital or genetic disease. By qualified medical practitioners can also use only medical personnel use the USG test. Prohibition of the regulations, prohibition of the sex relations also against that medical personnel. They also does not disclose the sex selections based. Prohibition to sell of the ultrasound machine to unregistered laboratories, clinic, and the person. They were also the make the norms against the ultrasound machines who are unregistered machines or who are having the unregistered laboratories, clinic, or persons. They can't use these machines for against this USG test. This is at the four clinic medical personnel and sale of the machines test, which comes under the 1994 Act. Only medical personnel, only registers use these machines, and only registered laboratories, clinic, and persons can use this machine for maintaining of the USG test. In that, they had also made the sections like sections 3A, prohibition of the sex relations, that has been discovered in 1994. Like no person, including sales or team of this specialist, should fill up these forms, and no one should disclose this sex of that particular womb or fetus. In the field of the infertility, cells conducts are supposed to be conducted or the air in the conducted by himself or any other person. Sex relations or a woman or both are the any tissues, embryo, fluid derivatives from the other or both are for the them are not specialized, are not recommended in sections 3A. They do not disclose the sex selection. They will not disclose any sex related infertility to the that mother. Also, they do not use the specialized machines for grading these sex selections. Then section 3B, prohibitions and ultrasound machine external to persons, laboratory, clinic, external not registered under this act, who are using illegal ultrasound machine, who are using unregistered machines or scanners or any equipments. They are not using, if they have not registered, they can't be used this ultrasound machine. They can't be using any equipments that has been unregistered, like capable of detecting sex, capable of any genetic counseling centers, genetic clinics, and genetic laboratories, or any persons that are registered under the sex who are not using, they can't able to use these machines. Like firstly, they have to register with that machine. Firstly, they have to be registered like as a medical personnel, like USG users, USG masters. That can only this case can be done under this non-registered under this act. The preconception and prenatal diagnosis techniques, prohibitions of the sex relations at 1994, they have also PNDT can be used for detections of abnormalities. If you have to look out for the abnormalities, you have to look for the any genetic chromosomal changes, then you have to use this Act 1994. You have to take the permissions from this Act, then only you can test it for the sex determinations. The chromosomal abnormality, if you have seen in the USG, genetic metabolic diseases, you have seen, or hemoglobinopathies, like hemoglobin related diseases, hemoglobin related some changes, some blood related changes. If you have seen, or blood production is not there, blood circulation is not there, then you can go for this sex determinations Act. You can use in this, which has been done in 1994. Sex links genetic disease, if that wombs of the congenital abnormality or any abnormality you have seen in the US, then only you can use this Act. Then you have to find out the sex linked genetic disorders, then you can go for the abortions. Now, PNDT following the conditions, age of the pregnant woman is above the 35. If age of the woman is 35, greater than 35, they are going to chance with the abnormalities, chromosomal abnormalities, genetic changes in that particular woman, also in that particular fetus. So if the mother is greater than 35, they can only use the PNDT test. 2 or more spontaneous abortions previously has been done. Any genetic changes, then also use this Act. Pregnant woman has been exposed to drugs, radiation, like infections in chemicals in previous studies, like they are using the some type of the drugs like alcohol, or they have exposed to the radiations, they are having the chronic infections, or they have injection of the chemicals like alcohol. If they have done, then they can use for this prenatal testing Act. female history of the mental retardations or physical deformities in that particular mother. If that they are present, like mental retarded mother is there, and we are using the conceived pregnancy, then only we can go for the risk act and we can use the any abnormalities in the fetus. Then any other conditions has severity physically, deformities or severity of the bloodborne disease, then only we can use this act. Now, prenatal conception prenatal diagnosis test they have also made for the husband and relatives. If they cannot ask any encouraged prenatal diagnosis techniques except for reasons permitted under this law, they can't use any illegal activities. They can't use any illegal findings. Like the husband and relatives can't use any prenatal diagnosis techniques against a pregnant woman for getting these sex determinations. And publications and advertising is illegal. No person and organization, counseling centers, clinical laboratories allow for maintaining the illegal activities of and publicity and advertises of the prenatal testing. They have also banned it. If they are using this illegal activity, that laboratory or their organizations will go into ban. The violations of the they have also made some imprisonments of the 3 years and the rupees 10,000 to the 15,000 fine, but the subsequent convenience permit punishments with the imprisonment for the 5 years for the rupees 50,000 to the 1 lakh for the particular violence against that women, a particular abortions against that women. If they have undergone the sex decisions, what happened? They have to imprisonment of the 5 years for the every year they have to fine for the 1 lakh rupee. They have also prohibited the public information through 17 prohibition display of the notice. They can't use any type of the notice. Then prominently display of the notice of that determinations in our hospitals is banned. They have to apply before going to start any clinic, before going to start any USG diagnosis testing center. They have to firstly bind that notice that they are not using this female sex determination space. Then also they have to discuss whether the sex of the fetus is prohibited under this law. They have to also mention the law that here sex determinations or fetal determination space is prohibited under this act. At least one copy of the act and the rules shall be available on their clinic. They have to apply the firstly self copy before at the time of the door, entering of the door. The state governments may publish periodic list of the research centers and findings from the reports and other information in their possessions for information public and useful for the expert in the field. They are also using the state governments law that publish a periodic list of registered centers and findings that illegal registrations, illegal centers we can ban, and for what we can reduce the chance of the getting this self determination test. So this is a public information for the all, for medical and non-medical persons. Thank you everyone.